The Breville deep fryer with digital readout and a glass window to see your fry in action. What a great machine. Look at this. This is how it comes. Got a nice manual. Got the basket with the handle and the wire. I'm going to put it together for you, show it how it works. So there's a little lip on the edge of your fryer, and there's a latch right there, and you just slide them together, and that holds the basket. And now you can put the arm on, you can squeeze it together, and it fits into a little locking device right here. As you can see, the handle is very solid. Locks in the up position or put it in the down full fry position. The cable is a magnetic connection. Super easy to do. I'll show you how you do that. So the plug only goes in one way and it's magnetically connected. And that's it. Super easy. There's also a reset button if for some reason you overheat the machine. Has a power surge that'll pop out. It's a great protection device for a home kitchen device. So to clean the unit, you just lift her up. There's a little notch here. It's super easy. Well-designed system. You can see the display. It shows you everything, give you a choice of the kind of fry you're going to do. It has automatic presets, which is great. Do French fries, you can do fish, you can do wings, calamari, donuts, custom, you name it. It's a beautiful unit. You can see the different temperatures and fry times. Wings are my favorite. 7 minutes. Fish, catfish, yum. And fries, oh man, we make fresh fries at home. So there you have it, the Breville deep fryer, super machine, feature loaded, built to last a lifetime.